What if beginners with zero experience are already making $500 per day online in 2026? And you're just one step away from doing the same? No, this isn't hype or fake screenshots. These are real methods people are using right now to generate daily income from their laptops and even their phones. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how they're doing it and how you can start today before it gets too competitive. To understand how beginners are hitting $500 per day, you need to think in terms of income architecture. Instead of relying on one source, they build a system where multiple streams contribute to a daily target. For example, a beginner might combine freelancing $200, affiliate commissions $150, and digital product sales $150. This layered model reduces risk and increases consistency. The most common starting point is high-income skill monetization. Skills like short-form video editing, YouTube automation, copywriting, and paid ads management are in massive demand. What makes 2026 different is the role of AI. Beginners can now deliver professional-level work using tools that assist with editing, scripting, and design. This dramatically shortens the learning curve. A beginner who once needed 6 months to become job-ready can now start earning within weeks. Once they land clients, scaling becomes simple. Increase prices, improve results, and retain clients on monthly package. Just 5 clients paying $100, $200 per day collectively can hit the $500 target. Another major driver is content monetization ecosystems. Beginners are launching faceless YouTube channels, TikTok pages, and niche Instagram accounts at scale. Instead of relying on one channel, they create multiple content assets. Each asset generates revenue through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. The key advantage here is compounding growth. One viral video can generate income for months. In 2026, automation tools allow creators to schedule content, generate scripts, and even produce videos with minimal manual effort. Some beginners operate like mini media companies, managing several channels at once. Affiliate marketing has also evolved into a high-speed income model. Beginners are no longer writing long blogs and waiting months for traffic. Instead, they use short-form video platforms to drive instant clicks. A single well-targeted video promoting a high-ticket product can generate hundreds of dollars in commissions within hours. The strategy is simple but powerful. Choose products with strong demand, create engaging content, and include a clear call to action. Beginners who master this process can replicate it daily, turning content into a predictable revenue engine. Digital products are another cornerstone of $500 per day strategies. Beginners are creating simple but valuable products like ebooks, templates, Notion dashboards, or mini courses. The barrier to entry is extremely low, but the scalability is massive. Once the product is created, it can be sold repeatedly without additional work. The real leverage comes from distribution, using social media, email lists, and marketplaces to drive traffic. In many cases, beginners bundle products or create upsells, increasing the average order value and reaching their daily income goal faster. E-commerce in 2026 is more refined and data-driven. Beginners are using TikTok Shop, Shopify, and AI tools to identify trending products before they become saturated. Instead of building large stores, they focus on one product brands with strong marketing angles. Short-form video content acts as the primary traffic source. A single winning product can generate consistent daily sales, and with proper margins, reaching $500 per day becomes achievable. Automation tools handle order processing, customer support, and even ad optimization, allowing beginners to scale efficiently. A less talked about but highly effective method is service arbitrage. Beginners act as intermediaries. They find clients who need services and outsource the work to skilled freelancers at a lower cost. For example, a beginner might charge a client $300 for a video project and pay a freelancer $100 to complete it, keeping the $200 profit. By managing multiple clients, they can quickly scale to $500 per day without doing the actual work themselves. This model requires strong communication and basic project management skills, but offers high scalability. Remote work stacking is another strategy gaining popularity. Instead of relying on a single full-time job, beginners combine part-time remote roles with freelance gigs and online income streams. For instance, someone might earn a stable $100, $200 daily from remote work and supplement it with freelance or affiliate income. This hybrid approach provides both stability and growth potential, making it easier to reach higher daily targets. One of the biggest accelerators in 2026 is automation and systems thinking. Beginners who succeed don't just work, they build systems. They automate repetitive tasks like content posting, client onboarding, and email responses. They use templates, workflows, and AI assistants to reduce manual effort. This allows them to focus on high-value activities like strategy, scaling, and client acquisition. Automation is what transforms a side hustle into a scalable online business. However, it's critical to address the reality $500 per day is not achieved overnight. Most beginners go through a phase of trial and error, testing different methods before finding what works. The difference is that in 2026, feedback loops are faster. You can test an idea today and see results within days, not months. This speed allows beginners to pivot quickly and double down on winning strategy. Consistency is the final piece of the puzzle. The people reaching $500 per day are not necessarily the smartest, they are the most consistent. They show up daily, refine their approach, and stay focused on long-term growth. They treat online earning as a business, not a hobby. Beginners in 2026 are making $500 per day by combining high-income skills, scalable digital models, and smart automation. They don't rely on a single method. They build systems that generate income from multiple sources simultaneously. With the right approach, tools, and consistency, reaching $500 per day is no longer a distant dream, but a structured and achievable goal. Now you know how beginners are hitting $500 per day online in 2026, but knowledge alone won't change anything. Taking action will. Start with one method, stay consistent, and scale as you grow. If this opened your eyes, make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more real, no-fluff ways to make money online. Your success is closer than you think. Don't miss the next video.